Karnataka Telecom Department Employees Cooperative Society is a trusted name when it comes to service. The Karnataka Telecom Department Employees Cooperative Society was promoted in 1973 with a vision committed to provide clear and well laid out plot at an affordable cost through professional practice to meeting the housing needs of Post and Telecom Department. We are responsive to local needs and are proud of our track record in creating affordable housing in different locations and in a variety of ways. These range from working with developers to making the best use of housing planning gains through innovation, bespoke solutions to housing needs. Site location: 140 kilometers from Bangalore, Mysore, the heritage city, was the erstwhile capital of the Vodayas. Also known as the City of Palaces, Mysore has never failed to mesmerize visitors with its quaint charm, rich heritage, magnificent palaces, beautifully laid out gardens, imposing buildings, broad shady avenues, and sacred temples. The Atmanandasagar Project site, located in Nagavala village, adjacent to Atmanandasagar and Sukhanandasagara, which are both Karnataka Telecom Society projects. The site is located just 4 kilometers from the prestigious Infosys campus that houses the Global Training Center and 7 kilometers from the Ring Road. With such a remarkable strategic location, you can just build your dream home and settle or retreat into your own world. The Atmanandasagar layout has been developed in an area of 300 acres. It is on track to becoming the exemplar sustainable site that will provide a real sense of community living. It has all the offerings required for a self-sustained 21st century lifestyle. Efficient and durable systems demand quality. Karnataka Telecom Department Employees Cooperative Society is proud to present S&S Infrastructure as the developers of our projects in Mysore. One of the most reputed property developers, S&S Infrastructure are key players in realizing and creating the best residential properties in Mysore. With a vast experience in developing about 2,000 acres of residential property in Mysore, S&S Infrastructure as a company help in improving the quality of life of people and ensure that progress is sustainable. The layout has been designed on a neighborhood concept and as per the rules and regulations of the concerned local authorities. It has been approved by the Planning Authority. Additionally, there is a good network of wide roads. They take care of all details using the latest of technology and materials to make sure only the best is provided to their privileged customers. Civic amenities area has been earmarked for the development of facilities in the future. Here are some of the details to ensure unparalleled quality and standard. Black top roads. There is a wide road of 80 feet running from Nityanandasagara, Paramanandasagara and Sukhanandasagara. The roads would be laid with wet mix macadam of the highest quality, which is usually used for highways. Even though the roads with wet mix macadam technology are very expensive, we use this as it is durable, strong and can be constructed very fast. Water supply. We are committed to facilitate the entire water supply network using state-of-the-art products that set industry standards. Adequate water supply has been ensured. This consists of overhead tanks, underground level tanks and distribution networks. For the overhead tanks, we are using a new technology called HDPE shuttering, which gives a very good quality finish and is fast to construct. We are also planning to adopt a new technology for the construction of underground level tanks or UGLTs. For the distribution network, we are using HDPE pipes instead of PVC pipes of ISI quality PE 100 strength. Though it is expensive when compared to PVC, its strength and life is more than PVC. underground drainage. We are providing integrated and innovative solutions tailored to the needs of the residents using the most sustainable methods of installing and to comply with the various building regulations and relevant legislation. It consists of drainage network with stoneware pipes, manholes and sewage treatment plant, stormwater drains and rainwater harvesting. Urbanization and industrialization have put extreme pressure on our natural water systems and their related ecosystems. We are committed to design the network for effective rainwater harvesting that not only meets residents' needs but also prevents flooding, restores nature's water purification system and conserves water for future use. Utility connection to the site. We have taken care of the minutest details before laying the roads. We have laid pipes across the road to provide water supply and underground electricity connections to each site. We also provide underground drainage pipelines to individual plots with chambers to each site. This shows our concern and attention to detail to the entire project. By providing this facility, we are taking care to eliminate damage to the road in the future by the residents. Electricity. A well-designed electrical network with poles, transformers, street lights are provided to the entire layout. Apart from the above-mentioned details, we have provided the utmost care towards the various quality measures such as hydraulic testing of water supply pipes, leakage test for underground drainage lines, table-molded bricks, joining of HDPE pipes, water line and sewage lines being marked in each site, hot mix plant established exclusively for road construction. Additional amenities. Be surrounded by amenities. With families in mind and to provide an unparalleled lifestyle to the residents, we provide an array of additional facilities of clubhouse with billiards, swimming pool, restaurants, conference room, corporate party hall, tennis courts and indoor games facility. This is our unique pursuit, to integrate the many valuable amenities along with the basic promised ones at the most reasonable cost for our privileged customers. About the dedicated team. Their strength lies in the dedicated work of their team. S&S Infrastructure comprises of a team of young, qualified and successful entrepreneurs with a vision, commitment and specialized domains of knowledge and experience. With experience of developing about 2,000 acres of residential property in Mysore, each one of us is helping to improve the quality of people wherever we operate and to ensure that progress is sustainable with investors gaining more than 100% in returns. The project is a one-of-its-kind in Mysore. The project is planned, designed and developed in a professional way by Bijven Enterprises, who have vast experience in planning and designing. Civil Aid Techno Clinic Private Limited, Tor Steel Group, which is a reputed and trusted organization in quality control, is monitoring the project progress and quality control. Vinvasa Consulting Engineers are looking after the quality and progress of overhead tanks and ground-level reservoir. Thank you for your valuable time. Your efforts will help us to ensure that we build a cohesive, top-class residential layout exclusively for you that is truly a wonder in its own style. Karnataka Telecom Department Employees Cooperative Society. Discover a great new way to live.